did this prokaryotic cell turn into this eukaryotic cell? Lynn Margulis created a better explanation. It started with a large bacterium and two small prokaryotes. At some point, symbiosis begins, and the three of them live together cooperatively. The two small prokaryotes enter the larger bacterium. The prokaryotes, now and forevermore, are part of the larger eukaryotic cell. So, did man really come from monkeys? No, but the rumor started back in 1925 during the Scopes trial. A teacher was being held on trial for teaching evolution. It became one of the most watched trials of the century, but with no television, most information was gotten through newspapers. It was the political cartoonists that coined the phrase the Scopes monkey trial. It was this association that started the myth. It was Darwin who created the cladogram that shows how we really are related to monkeys, through a common ancestor. So, are dominant characteristics really better than the recessive ones? Well, for example, tall is dominant over short in humans, but that doesn't necessarily mean that taller is better. Sometimes too tall can be a curse, just like being too short. Polydactyly is another dominant trait in humans. This is where you can have 6 or more fingers or toes on one hand or foot. Another kind of dominant trait in humans are hairy ears. Not very attractive in our culture. One of the most notorious dominant human diseases is called Huntington's. This disease is really savage, and then it takes a normal brain and turns it into Swiss cheese. The Huntington's brain begins to deteriorate and ultimately is 100% fatal.